This is the Samsung television that I have. There is a problem right now. The volume just stays down at 0% or at zero level. And I'm gonna try to fix it. As you can see here, if I increase the volume right here. I'm pressing that right there, and if I let go, it slowly decreases back down to 0. And also, this is supposed to be the volume up. When I touch it, the channel starts to change right there. So that's completely wrong. There we go. I just pressed the volume up again. Let go. There's nothing there. It's going back down. So I heard that it was mainly due to the control unit being very wet or very dusty. This TV is down in my basement, and in the basement, of course, it can be dusty and it can also be very wet. So I'm going to take it apart and attempt to fix it, and I'll show you how I do it. Hi, I'm back again, and this is the TV all taken apart. And as you can see, if you wanted to know how to take it apart, it's just a regular screwdriver. Over here, these screws. Over here, there's one here. There's one over there. One there. Another at the two corners at the same. And here's for the stand. You take these off for the stand. And I just held on to the stand as I took this off. Can't remember how I put the stand on originally, but that's another part right there. Now the area where the buttons are is right here. Right over there. I'll just put this here. Now there are two screws here, one here, one there. This was here to fix this in. And I try to take it out, but it looks pretty flimsy, so I'm just going to keep it in there. But what I'm going to do is just move this over here. Is just keep it a little open so I could see underneath. Now I'm just going to use the blow dryer now at a cool setting. What I do is I make sure continuously by putting my hand in front of the air that's coming out to make sure it's not hot. You don't want it hot because you don't want to damage the equipment and the wiring. You don't want to melt anything there. You just want to make sure it's just cool air, and the cool air will dry things out in the mechanism and blow out the dust. You want to kind of like open up the buttons a little bit. I pushed a little bit in the area so that the buttons are somewhat exposed underneath, so that air can get underneath and blow out the dust and dry it out. So I tested it out. The problem still persists, so I don't think I put enough drying time with the blow dryer. Now remember, the blow dryer is not hot, it's just cold air. So I'm just going to blow dry a little longer, and we'll try it again. So I didn't put it all back together. I just put the back part of this on, and then I tried it out again. Hi there, I'm back again. I'm glad and happy to say that the volume control knob is now fixed. Well, it's not a knob, it's just a button. Sorry, you can see my reflection there. You can see some of my feet. I do apologize. But as you can see, if I increase the volume up, and I let go, my hands are here, it'll stay high. Yep. So everything seems to be working. So if you have a problem with your Samsung TV, you can take the back apart. If you don't feel good about touching electronics, I don't recommend you do so, but you can try the method of cleaning or blowing air onto the mechanism there where the switches are, and it just dries it out, blows out the dust a bit, and it should fix the problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.